Today, we'll guide you through how to send silent messages on Discord, perfect for sharing info without pinging everyone. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. To get started, open your Discord app and log in. Head to the list of servers at the left side of your screen and select the server where you'd like to send the message. Once you're inside the server, pick the specific channel where your message will go. This can be the general chat or any other channel you have access to. In the message input area at the bottom, start by typing the command isolent before your message. This command allows you to send your message quietly without sending notification sounds. After isolent, go ahead and type out your message. You can also attach images, files, or links if you need to share more info. When you're ready, hit the send icon, and your message will be posted without any notification sounds, helping you keep things low-key. That's it. You've successfully sent a silent message on Discord. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next guide.